Hey guys! We have a special unboxing. This is for Hudson. It's from our wonderful, wonderful channel supporter and Sleepy Hudson and Patreon member and extra good YouTube member, Michelle Anastasio. And she said this is for Hudson's birthday because she sent us a little email. Be on the lookout for us.
The birthday boy.
So listen, guys. Full disclosure, we got 2 packages that looked exactly like this, with the from the same packaging. When we were doing our Lego build, yes, when we were doing our Lego build, and we opened this because we thought it was from HC Teacher. So you might have seen these before, but we didn't credit it right. These are actually from Michelle Anastasio. Oh my God, Patreon and YouTube member. So without further ado,
his nose is in the bag.
He's in the bag.
Yeah.
These are the game day toys.
Egg cream.
Egg cream.
It's an egg cream. Go Hudson.
The crinkles.
Go Hudson. It's your birthday.
What else is in here?
You say it's Hudson's birthday. His nose is in there. Oh, he loves the hot dogs, guys.
And crinkles.
Spicy golden brown.
Wait.
Mustard.
One more.
The Hud shake.
One more. Look. There's something else in there.
Oh, there's one more.
Oh.
What is it? Pizza. He's the pizza king, guys.
And also crinkles.
Pizza king. Oh, look at the 3 food groups.
The 3 food groups.
Egg cream.
What could be better
Hot
for
dog.
Hudson's birthday than an New York egg cream in the sippy cup with the straw? God, he loves it.
He loves
He's taking
it.
a sip.
Yeah, he's taking a sip.
He's taking a sip. Oh, he's looking at the hot dog with mustard and the pepperoni pizza.
Oh, beautiful,
so
Michelle.
You know what this means.
Fantastic job.
This means down the hall,
Coast
Michelle.
is clear.
Thank you so much. Let's try it, Huds. Okay, guys.
Coast is clear.
Coast is clear. Coast is clear. He's ready.
He's ready.
He's ready.
All right.
Sippy cup.
So you're going to throw them all and see which one he goes for.
Pepperoni
Yeah,
pizza.
you're going to throw them all at the same time.
Huds. We're going to throw all at the same time. And then you're going to choose. Which one? We're curious. You ready? Here we go. All 3 at the same time.
Look at him. Egg cream.
Egg cream in the sippy cup first.
Pizza.
Oh, he's loving it.
Yeah, he's loving it.
Oh my God, Michelle.
Look at Michelle. Fantastic job.
Then it's going to the hot dog. Back to the hot dog. It's the hot dog. It's the hot dog. It's the hot dog. Look at the nibbles. Can you hear that?
Look, hot dog.
What else do you got?
I've captured him.
Do you see the leaps of joy?
Yeah, I see it. Huds.
Huds, come. Okay.
Huds, where's your hot dog? Huds, where's your pizza?
Go get your pizza.
Go get your pizza.
Huds, go get the
Huds,
pizza.
go get the pizza.
The pizza. Oh, he's like, yeah, I forgot about the pizza.
Yeah.
Oh, the pizza.
Oh,
The
God.
pizza, the hot dog.
He
the
loves
pizza.
it.
One more time, all 3?
Yeah. Oh, one more time. Here we go.
Oh,
he
that was
loves it.
terrible, bro.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh,
Good boy, Huds.
He runs in with the hot dog.
Michelle, fantastic
Oh my
job.
God, Michelle, these are fabulous. It's all the food groups Hudson loves.
Oh, he's
the best
totally
ever
psyched.
for his birthday. He's crinkling on the hot dog right now. Thank you so much,
Thanks,
Michelle.
Michelle. Fantastic job.
Extra good.